Good morning, Grandma Freeman here, and I'm looking out my kitchen window and I see this gray winter sky and bare trees. Well, anyway, I'm going to do a pantry challenge this week, and for the rest of the month, I will do a little grocery shopping because I'm almost out of meat, except for the little bit that's in the pantry and the freezer. So I want to show you what I have to work with. So we'll go over to my freezer first, and I'm just going to show you how bare this is. Okay, I have some ice in the bottom, some chicken, and some Jimmy Dean sausage. Those are chicken tenders. And then I have back there, I have some chocolate chips, some blue bonnet margarine, and that's my son's ice cream. And up here I have some corn, frozen corn, and some frozen spinach. And I have a little bit of creamed corn left over in there and some bananas under there. And I have a little bit of ginger, fresh ginger frozen. And then under that corn, there's some hash browns. So that's all and then I have one cube of butter. So that's all I have in the freezer. In the refrigerator, kind of bare, I have almost a full 18 count. I think there's 17 in there now. And there's my son's leftover pizza, and he gave me those chocolates, and I haven't opened those yet. I have 2 yogurts, little cups of yogurt, and some raisins back there, and condiments. And those, that's Crisco in there. I've been using some of that to grease my pans. And leftover food, I have some apple juice and some skim milk back there, and that's my son's coffee creamer. And I have some leftover meatloaf from yesterday and some tomatoes back in that little container. We have water, 3 little apples, some bread. I have some homemade bread, and then my son bought a loaf of bread. I have some vegetables to make salad, and I have carrots and some cabbage and some celery and different things. And down here, potatoes, garlic, and onions, and then a lot of condiments that have been opened mainly, and some more water, and some vinegar, pickles, and some chicken broth there. So that's what I have to work with. And these are still in the use-by dates. So, and then over here, this is where I keep I've turned this closet into a pantry. And up here, I have some coffee. And then these are my baking goods and my 0 coffee sweetener, some oatmeal, and some whole wheat flour and regular flour. I have more in the back. And then I have some more things to use. I have sugar up there as well. And I have some powdered milk. And there's a container that has a package of unopened pancake mix, and I'm going to use that very soon down here. This is not as full as it used to be. We keep the coffee, and my son's keeps some food that he likes to eat there, and I have some noodles and some pasta. And I bought, last time I went shopping, the Friday before this last Friday, I bought some more powdered milk. And I bought this container that makes 8 quarts of milk. And the other one up here, I have 1 pouch left. And that comes in only 3 pouches. And it's less expensive, but this one is a little bit more expensive, and it's a better buy. It's loose, and you can seal it back up after you open it. That package right back there, you see that's dry milk. So that was the better buy, so I bought it that way. And then I have some oils and some pancake syrup, sugar-free, and I have 2 packages of yeast, so I'm going to get 2 loaves of bread, and then after that, I'll be out of yeast, so I'll make a baking powder, biscuits or something, maybe some Irish soda bread. And I did have to buy some more green tea. I was out of tea, and it looks like I'm going to have to buy some more coffee filters soon. And there's some peanut butter, some whole wheat flour there, enough. That would be enough to make another 2 loaves of bread. And there's some pasta sauce back there. And then down here, I have this. Now, if you watched my other videos, I did a January low buy, or no spend, low spend month in January. And I went shopping in December, and I didn't go shopping again until the 7th of February. So that was about 6 weeks, and I still have all of this. And when I went shopping on the Friday before last, I did buy some more of that red gold crushed tomato and a diced tomato. So I bought 2 cans of each. And I have some of this Danish sausage, some canned fish back there, and some canned chicken, and a lot of beans and some vegetables. So, and I have 1 can of peas left. So anyway, that's what I have. So I'm going to be working this down this month, and I am going to do some grocery shopping this coming Friday, the next Friday. So I will be trying to use up some more of my baking goods, and I'm getting low on the zero sugar or 0 calorie sweetener for my coffee. I have candy. I don't know why I try with that, but anyhow, I have to be careful about the sugar content or how much sugar I use. And then up here, I have all my my herbs and spices and salt and pepper and different things, and my baking soda and baking powder, and then my garbage bags down here. And then this one here is just containers, empty. I do have some apple juice that I have to use up, so I like to have that. I don't have it every day, but quite a bit. I like to have a little apple juice. So that's basically what I have to use up. So this month I'm going to be working that down, because in March the weather's going to warm up a little bit, and so I won't be baking as much by April and May. And of course in the summer I'll try not to bake at all. So I will probably run out of salad fixing and vegetables by the end of this week, or nearly. Maybe I'll have a few things left. And the condiments are still okay. I have to use all that up. There's some jelly, and I have some sauerkraut there, and a lot of salsa. Anyway, and I made a meatloaf, and I'm going to have a meatloaf sandwich for lunch with some leftover salad there, and I'll have lunch and dinner from that meatloaf. And then tomorrow I may make a chicken noodle soup. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. So that's all there is now. So I do need some more meat, and I won't be needing eggs for a little while. We'll see how that goes. So anyway, I'm going to have a low spend February, and this month I've only spent under $100 for groceries and toilet paper. I got a good deal on toilet paper, so I stocked up on that. I won't need to be buying that the rest of this month, maybe not even in March. Well, anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope this gives you an idea of what to do. Use up what you have as much as you can, and be careful what you buy. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.